Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Sant Tukaram National Model School. Myself Abhay, Daithankar, your maths teacher, and we were discussing about chapter 13, measurement, area, perimeter, and volume. In last few videos, we have seen how to find out the perimeter of closed figures, and we have also seen how to find out the area of the square. In this video, we are going to see how to find out the area of a rectangle and triangle. For that, I am going to share my presentation.
In the last video, we have seen that if I take a square of 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter, if I take a square of 2 centimeter by 2 centimeter, then yes, the squares of 1 centimeter by 1 centimeter, 4 squares can fit inside this square, and the area of this square is being known as a 4 square centimeter. Fine. We'll go for next presentation. Now again, how to find out the area of a rectangle? Now we are going to consider again a square of 1 meter by 1 meter. This time I'm taking a square of 1 meter by 1 meter. Well, this is also known as a unit square because this time we are measuring the length using meter. So 1 meter by 1 meter. And this is known as a unit square. And the area covered by this square is known as a 1 square meter. It is being given as 1 square meter. Now, if I take 6 such squares, let us count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So if I take 6 such squares, what figure I am getting from these all squares, 6 squares? Well, this is a rectangle. Now, what are the dimensions of this rectangle? What is the length of this rectangle and what is the breadth of this rectangle? Well, the length of this rectangle will be 3 meters. And what will be the breadth? Because you can see there is 1, 2, and 3 meters. What is the breadth? And the breadth will be equal to 2 meters. So breadth will be equal to 2 meters. What about the area that is being covered by this rectangle? See how many squares of 1 meter and by 1 meter that can fit inside this rectangle of length 3 meter and breadth 2 meter? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6. 6 squares of 1 meter by 1 meter can fit inside the rectangle of 3 meter by 2 meter, and the area of this rectangle is being known as 6 square meter. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to multiply the length and breadth. If I multiply length and breadth, length is being 3 and breadth is being 2. 3 multiplied by 2, what we are getting? We are getting 6. And yes, my dear friends, this is nothing but the area of a rectangle. So how to find out the area of a rectangle? To find the area of rectangle, we are going to multiply its length and breadth. So formula for finding out the area of a rectangle is nothing but length multiplied by breadth. And the unit is either square centimeter or square meter or square millimeter, in which the length and breadth are given. Let us find out how to find the area of a triangle. Now again, we are going to consider a square of 1 centimeter by 1 or 1 meter by 1 meter. Well, we'll take again 6 such squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now what I am going to do for that? So what is the length of this rectangle? Length of this rectangle is 3 meters. What is the breadth? Breadth is being 2 meters. Okay. Breadth is going to be the 2 meter. And the area of this rectangle, we have already seen length multiplied by breadth, that is being the 6 square meter. Now I am going to draw a line which will join the two opposite corners of a rectangle. This being known as a diagonal. So I join this these two opposite corners of a rectangle. Well, this will divide your rectangle into 2 triangles. So this will cut the rectangle into 2 triangles. Well, whether they are having same size and shape? Yes, why not? They are having same shape and size. So diagonals are going to cut into 2 triangles. And yes, you can see a triangle is shown by one triangle is shown by a green color, another triangle is being shown by the red color. And what will be the area of this triangle? Definitely the area of the rectangle we have taken as a length in the breadth, that is going to be 6. And we divided this rectangle into two equal parts or two equal triangles. So area of this triangle will be equal to half the area of rectangle, and that is going to be the half of 6, that is the 3 square meter. So area of the triangle is the half of the area of rectangle, and that is being 3 square meter. Now, how to find out the area of a triangle? So this is being the triangle. In this case, we are going to call this as a base, and we are going to call this as the height or altitude of the triangle. Now, if I am going to annotate this, or if I am going to complete this, okay, let me complete this. Again, I am going to share my screen. If I am going to complete this particular rectangle for that, then the area of this rectangle will be based into height. However, we are having a triangle only, and the area of triangle is given as half of the height into base. So area of triangle is given as a half height into base. This is all about how to find out the area of a triangle and how to find out the area of a rectangle. In the next video, we'll see how to find out the volume of cube and cuboid. Till then, goodbye and thank you.